Top 7 places to meet women for dating or marriage. Hey there, friends. Are you single and looking for that special someone to date, or maybe even marry? You're not alone. Meeting the right person can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the top 7 best places to meet women who are ready for a relationship. These tips are packed with advantages, potential challenges, and some personal advice to help you navigate your way to love. So, grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started. Online dating platforms. First up, let's talk about online dating platforms like Tinder, Bumble, and eHarmony. With just a few taps on your phone, you gain access to thousands of potential matches, tailored to your preferences. Sounds great, right? Pros. Convenience is king. You can meet people anytime, anywhere, and the ability to filter matches by your interest, age, or even height can save loads of time. But hold up, it's not all sunshine and roses. Fake profiles, ghosting, and the pressure of standing out in a sea of options can make online dating overwhelming. Pro tip: be authentic, and remember, quality over quantity. Social events or hobby clubs. Next, let's talk about hobby clubs and social events. Whether it's a dance class, a cooking workshop, or a hiking group, these settings are perfect for connecting over shared interests. The big advantage here: you get to meet people in a natural environment while doing something you already enjoy. Plus, building rapport feels more organic compared to swiping on a screen. However, the downside is the smaller pool of people, so you might have to be patient. But hey, finding love while learning salsa. That's a win-win. Through friends or social circles. Now, don't underestimate the power of your social circle. Getting introduced to someone through friends or family can be a great way to meet someone you can trust. Why? Because your mutual connections can vouch for both of you. Plus, this often leads to meaningful and lasting relationships. The downside: if things go south, it could make social gatherings a little awkward. But don't let that stop you. This option is tried, tested, and true. Volunteering events. Here's one that might surprise you: volunteering. Whether it's helping out at a local shelter, cleaning up the environment, or joining a community project, volunteering connects you with like-minded individuals who share your values. It's a meaningful way to meet someone while contributing to a good cause. Plus, nothing sparks connection like teamwork. The only downside: it may take some time and consistency to meet the right person. But hey, you're making the world a better place while looking for love. How amazing is that? Speed dating events. Speed dating is an underrated gem. These events let you meet multiple potential matches in a short amount of time. The pros: it's fast, fun, and designed for dating. You can quickly gauge chemistry and compatibility without spending weeks texting back and forth. But there's a catch: it can feel rushed, and you might not click with everyone. The trick: be yourself, and don't be afraid to follow up with someone who catches your eye. Churches or religious gatherings. If shared values and faith are important to you, meeting someone through your church or religious group can be a fantastic option. These settings often foster trust and accountability, making it easier to form a strong connection with someone who shares your life goals. However, it's worth noting that the pool of options may be smaller depending on the size of your group. But if faith is central to your life, this can be a great place to find someone who truly aligns with you. Matchmaking services. Last but not least, let's talk about matchmaking services. This is for those of you who are serious about finding the one. Professional matchmakers curate matches based on compatibility, saving you time and effort. The biggest pro: these services offer privacy and are tailored to your specific needs. But fair warning, this option isn't cheap, and success isn't guaranteed. If you're open to investing in love and want to skip the hassle of searching, this might just be the solution for you. And there you have it, 7 amazing places to meet women who are ready for a relationship, whether you're looking to date or walk down the aisle. Each place has its own vibe, advantages, and challenges, so my advice is to explore a few and find what works best for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these? Which one worked best for you, or do you have other ideas? Let's chat in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips on life, love, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.